Today we are diving into the unboxing of a portable vacuum cleaner and blower combo. This mystery product was snagged from Amazon for 899 rupees. So let's see what's it all about. Upon first glance, this unbranded gem arrives without any labels or any branding to speak of. Inside the plain box lies another simple box, keeping the mystery alive without any hints. Opening up the box reveals the essentials: the filter and its case, a handy micro USB charging cable, the integrated motor body, a nozzle for the blower, a brush, and an extension pipe. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. The motor body is constructed entirely of plastic and houses the motor and a built-in rechargeable battery. Featuring a comfortable 3-finger grip, a micro USB port, a small LED light, and an easily accessible operating button on top, this machine is ready to roll. Next up, let's explore the filter and its housing. The plastic filter body with washable cloth material seems promising, even though the filter paper rating is uncertain. Assembling and mounting it onto the motor body reveals a strong suction power upon firing the motor. Time to test out those attachments as well. I was curious to try out the blower function because my idea was to remove the dust of my car on a daily basis. So I gave the motor a swirl after putting the nozzle, and it was pushing away the lightweight materials like this piece of plastic. Tried to push some water, which I feel it did comfortably. Then I wanted to do the real test. I wanted to see if it can fill a balloon. But sadly it falls short on inflating a balloon. A slight disappointment. And I feel that it may not be a good blower at all. So let's see if its core competency is suction. Let's try out the suction capabilities. The mini vacuum easily lifts paper from the table, while the nozzle with extension struggles a bit, but it really excels in cleaning window meshes, nooks, corners, and fan blades with ease, making cleaning a breeze. Wrapping up our cleaning spree, we inspect the dust collector chamber to find a significant amount of dust collected, showcasing the product's effectiveness. In conclusion, the mini vacuum cleaner proves to be a decent investment for vacuuming tasks, but falls short on blowing abilities. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe for more content. Until next time.